Alright, the topic for my case study is about the floodlight, and this is my abstract. First of all, floodlight are essential components in outdoor lighting system. In MHB, we use a floodlight in our project because the operation at night will always continue day by day to make sure that the project can be delivered by the time. So if the floodlight have a problem or issue, that will make our target loss, and then the client will make sure that uh, we need to pay more to them because the issue is big, and I think the floodlight is one of the reason why they need to stop the work if the floodlight was broken. So to make sure that the project can be delivered by that time, in my department, fast office, we need to make sure that all the floodlight on site can be used, and uh, make sure that the maintenance that we make is in a good time. So for the introduction of my case study, like I said before, night shift will always continue, and we need to use the floodlight to make sure that the operation can be delivered well. Other than that, to make sure that the worker safety, because we don't want to have any incident at workplace because of the small issue. So I think this is the uh, important thing that we want to make sure the floodlight can be used every night, and to make sure that the worker safety and all the productivity can be delivered well. Other than that, uh, we also want to make sure that all the part or the tools can be equipped well, because we don't want to have a thief that can steal our product. That's why we need to use the floodlight, and the importance of the floodlight inside. And in this case study, uh, report endeavors to address the pressing need for an optimized preventive maintenance strategy on 1000 watt floodlights. So before this, there is no maintenance on this floodlight. So I want to make or create a new maintenance strategy, like preventive maintenance, to make sure that all the equipment in the floodlight can be used well, and there is no uh, issue in the floodlight, or there is no problem when we need to use the floodlight during the working time at night shift. Uh, Other than that, the study recognized the importance of night shift work and the role adequate illumination plays in ensuring a conductive working environment. Like I said before, we want to make sure that the working environment for night shift can be done well, and to make sure that there is no incident happen. So to make sure that we identify the problem, we need to do a fishbone diagram. First, the big topic is about the 1000 watt floodlight and what is the problem. First is because of the rain. Second is about a broken bulb. Third is about device issues, and the last is list of maintenance. Okay, when we said about the rain, like I said before, the electrical device exposed to the weather, and when the problem is about the broken bulb, I said before that, like I said before, the light bulb exploded and can make a incident to the worker. And about the device issues, this is like the ballast or igniter has broken, and the last is list of maintenance because there is no preventive maintenance schedule in this part. Okay, we go to the solutions that I have done. First solution is I want to make sure that the regular visual inspections and cleaning of the floodlights on the site. So I think we need to share with the person in charge on site to make sure that they always make a inspection or cleaning on the floodlights. The second solution is strategic modification plan for the protective box. So here we make a new modification box to make sure all the devices in the floodlight cannot expose with the rain, so we can keep it uh, dry. And the last solution is we want to make sure that we implement a routine corrective maintenance schedule at least 3 months or once a month. That is my solution, and I think that will make the floodlight can be used for a long time and there is no issues or problem. Okay, like I said, I want to make a modification on the box. So this is the box that we have already modified, and then we put the ballast and igniter inside the box. And the last page is the wiring diagram for the light and all the devices in the box. Okay, in conclusion, we can say that the effectiveness of the maintenance of our 1000 watt floodlights is pivotal for ensuring their longevity, optimal performance, and reliability in various operational conditions. Other than that, the workers can uh, make sure that they can work at night in a well condition and safe because the floodlight is working well. These are the references that I have got during my case study, and I think these references are very important in this case study. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.